Good evening, my lovelies. I've literally just taken these out of the deoxy, so we will now give them a scrub and see how they've come up. Yeah, amazing stuff. Right, that's in there. This is just soapy water. Now, I had a delivery this week from Amazon. Literally took a couple of days, and I want to share that with you, and what I found out about at least one of these that I know of. Let's put you there for a minute. Now, you've seen that before, the emblem that I showed the other day. Oh, upside down. It's, first of all, I can say it's Armstrong. Now, this one we weren't sure whether it had. Now, this one doesn't have it. This one just has Austin. Both exactly the same thickness, both 7/16 and ½ inch, as you can see. But one has Austin, same script, and one has the diamond, and one doesn't. That's strange. The only thing I can think of is they're different eras. Anyway, I'll pause you for now and I'll get the book out and we can have a look. Oh, that's strange. This one has a coating on the inside and it looks like it was painted black. So is that the coating that Ben goes on about with some of the tools being coated, never been used? Don't know, just a speculation. Doesn't look like it's been used, but it's strange to have that or someone stirred it with varnish, or used this to stir varnish. Right, I'll pause you for a minute before we start cleaning it up and we'll have a look at this book. Speak to you in a mo. Right, so here's the book. I know a few of you have already got it. I know some of you have recommended it. And I couldn't resist. And it's absolutely fantastic book. I haven't been through it all yet. It's going to take a while. But what I did want to show you is... Right. Yeah, A, S and S, W. If you would like to pause that and read, by all means do. And it also goes on to Universal, which is, what's his name, Joseph Ellsbury. He's part of the story as well. Absolutely phenomenal. They're not going now. The company was taken over by Sheffield Steel Products in 1920 and incorporated Joseph Ellsbury. So yes, so this tool, possibly, I'm saying possibly, because I can't find a connection between Austin. Actually, looking at these as they're drying now, they literally are two different metals, aren't they? Well, not two different, you know what I mean. What they're made up of. But yes. But I can't find a connection, and there's nothing written up in particular on these. But they've literally been going since 1861. That's a long time. That's a long time. And that's their logo. So, well chuffed. Well chuffed. Recommend this book highly if you're, well, I'd say even if you're not a novice. Because obviously I am. But there's some of the stories and what, where, when, how, and like I said, I'm still going through it. I hope to find out more. You know, I don't have, that I know of, I don't have any rare tools, but I do have tools that I don't know what the stamps are. And I'm hoping this could, mind you, every page I look at, I think Ben's probably saying, got it, got it, got it, got two, got it, and so on. I did have a little chuckle to myself about that one. But yes, beautiful book. I didn't pay from Amazon. I think I got it for just over 18. Usual price 25 quid. But as a novice, I would say it's even worth the 25 quid. Right, I thought I'd share that with you. Now we're going to have a go at cleaning. It'll probably just be a wire wheel today, just to see the difference again. If anyone knows about the Austin reference to these, especially to the stamped one, I'll be appreciative. Another one that I'm going to look at. Now I've seen this on quite a few tools. The 4 Christmas trees, I call them. But now I've got this book, I hope to do more. Oh, look what I just found. I don't pay much attention to myself, do I? I've just found another Austin. And it's the same size, 7/16, ½ inch. But no diamond. Wow. Well, at least we'll have a contrast. Let's see what the before and after definitely is. Right, pause you, speak to you in a minute. I'm going to finish my coffee. I just thought I'd jump back in. 3 stages. Yeah, there's the Austin. Before the deoxy. Before the wire wheel. After the wire wheel. Right, let's do this one now. Back in a minute. Right, me again. Excuse me. Right. Definitely a different alloy. Rounded over, not rounded over. With emblem, without. So I'm going to go, this is newer. Who it's made by, was guessing it was by the same people. But I don't know. Don't know. Slight difference in the Austins, but barely. Bigger gap here where my thumbnail is. Slightly different. Yeah, tiny differences. Not a lot. Script on the tools itself, that's different, a lot bolder on what I'm saying is the older, definitely saying it's the older. Casting, yeah, this one's a little bit worse for wear casting wise. So what I'm going to do is clean this one up a bit more. I'm probably going to leave this one as is. I don't know its value, I don't know if it has any value, but seeing as it's the only one I have, well, you let me know, you guys know more about this than I do. Is it worth keeping as is? Maybe do a bit more on the fibre wheel only. Don't know. It's a dilemma. There we are. Yeah, this one's... I'm looking at what I've just learnt from the script. This isn't as bold, but it doesn't look like the same metal either. Strange. Strange. Learning as I go. Well, actually I'm not learning a lot, but I am learning as I go. Yeah, this one not as bold as this. Could have 3 different eras for all I know. It literally could be 3 different eras. And for all I know, this one was made by Austin. Made by themselves, which is why there's no other make and mark on it. And same as this one. Yeah. So there we are. We'll have a little clean up of this one, which I think is modern-ish. Yeah, when did Austin Leyland, is it Austin Leyland? Or did Leyland buy? I don't know. I'm sure one of you car fanatics will tell me. Yeah, I've had a few Austins over my time. Austin Maxi, Austin 1100, Austin Mini, but I just drove them. Right, see you in a minute. Here we are. That's that done for the evening. So, before deoxy, after deoxy, just the wire wheel, and satin finish. Didn't want to lose the script, so I'd go easy on those, but as you can see, he says not too bad for a satin finish. Excuse my dirty hands. Let's have a look right there. Where are we? Here we go. Yeah, I'm pleased with it. Few pits, but I managed to keep, oh there we are, there's the money shot. Managed to keep everything clean and tidy. Alright, thank you for watching. All being well, next video will be Friday. Thank you again to my new subscribers. I'm getting a few every video, so you know, sometime next year I should have 100. Joking aside, I am very appreciated. Appreciated? Well, you can appreciate me if you want to. I'm very appreciative. That's it. I do. Honestly, I do have a brain. Don't use it much, but I do have one. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share where possible. And we'll get another one done. I'll be doing this one soon. Now, down in the comments, do I straighten? Do I leave? And I might even play with some paint with this one in there. We'll see. That's a snail, by the way. And soon I'm going to be brave to tackle a wooden handled something or other. Yes. Anyway, love you and leave you. Oh, I found this one. I don't know if I showed this one or not. It's actually worth a few quid on eBay. Right, love you and leave you. Speak to you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.